As a business owner, you want your sales team to record important information unique to your business, ensuring you have the details at your fingertips when needed. In CreamSoda, you can create custom properties to achieve this. A custom property is a field you create to store information for various record types, including contacts, companies, and deals. These fields not only help you store pertinent information, but also enable you to create reports and smart lists that can drive more sales. Let's look at custom properties for a person record. Custom properties appear in the Details section. To update a custom property, hover over the field or click on Edit Property in the right menu to make this section editable. To add a custom property, click Property Settings from the right menu. Then select Add Property. Let's add a field to track lead qualification. Choose Single Select List as the field type. CreamSoda offers 16 types of fields, so you can select the one that fits your needs. Add all the options you want to be able to select under lead qualification. You can sort the options by dragging the blue icon up and down. Ensure this field appears on the Create form so your sales team can update it when they create a new contact. Also, set it up in both the View and Search pages. Click the Create button to save the new lead qualification field. Once a custom property is created, it will be available in all person records. You can edit, delete, or deactivate a custom property. Deactivating a custom property hides it without deleting it, allowing you to reactivate it anytime. To prioritize certain custom properties, use the Sort functionality. Drag the blue icon to change the order of your fields. Once you're done, click Save. Custom properties can give your business the edge it needs to excel. We hope you enjoyed this video.